Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Aditi and today I'm just giving you a peek with Altenew's new November release collection. I'm going to be playing with the Dancing Cosmos embossing folder, which comes with this coordinated simple layering stencil to color it. So I have already embossed a piece of white A2 card panel with this embossing folder. And for my ink colors, I'm using Nature's Wonders Martian Terrain, and I've just pulled out lemonade stand for the flower centers. This is pretty simple. I lay out stencil 1 and I'm going to begin with canyon clay using my mini blending brushes. I'm going to start blending in through the stencil to start filling in color to the flower petals. Now I want to keep a darker intensity towards the inner edges of the petals or the inside of the flower, so I lay out more ink there, and as I come towards the tips I just make sure that it's lighter. Through the same stencil I now add burnt red just at the center of the petals, like I said, the inner edges, to create shading with another color. Now, once that's done and I'm happy, I'm going to repeat the same process through stencil 2, which adds color to some of the other petals of the same flower. Celebrating this new release, I have a special discount code Aditi10 that you can use on orders worth $99 to get a $10 off. All the details are in the description box below, so do check that out as well, and look forward to my release hop video tomorrow for ideas. Now for the darkest petals, I'm bringing in mahogany bark and just adding that there. And again, just shifting the stencil for the leaves, starting with marshland. I then move to sea forest to bring in a little bit of the darker color. And through the last stencil, I'm going to add in the darkest color for my stems, that's the mangrove root, and then lemonade stand to the flower centers. So with that, this entire image is colored, and I am now just going to use my metallic watercolor pan set and add some gold splatter to bring in all of that warmth and glow this card needs. Now for a cute adorable element, the bumblebee layering die. So it's a tiny little adorable bee and I've already die cut all the layers. I'm just quickly going to glue the layers to show you how easy and effortless it is to create this layered bee. And I think this is a perfect addition for any floral card. It pairs well with the Craft Your Life project kit, the Honeycomb Haven, which has so many other elements that just work very well with this layering die. So I am quickly just laying all the elements and I then have a perfect little bee for my floral card. I just dry fit and see where I like it. And once I'm happy, I just place my card panel in my stamp wheel. I'm picking out a sentiment from the Honeycomb Haven stamp set from the Craft Your Life project kit. Like I said, it pairs perfectly well. And I'm going to use obsidian ink and stamp that. So it says, "Thank you for being so sweet." And I then glue my bee and this card is complete. I hope today I've managed to inspire you. Do check the description box for all the supply list linked below. And like I mentioned, stay tuned for my video as part of the video hop tomorrow. And don't forget to check out details about that special discount code for a $10 off when you shop for $99 on the Altenew website. Make the most of it shopping for your new release products. I appreciate each one of you who uses my affiliate links that come at no extra cost to you. Just give me an extra commission when you shop. Thank you so much. Until the next time, take care and bye-bye.